Binusisi sa pagdinig ng Senado ngayong araw ang napaulat na hindi dokumentadong benepisyaryo sa ilalim ng Expanded Government Assistance to Students and Teachers in Private Education o yung mga tinatawag na Go Students. Dumepensa naman dito ang DepEd na agad na tiniyak ang pag-aksyon sa issue. Si Daniel Malalasta sa sentro ng balita.
Kino-question ngayon sa Senado ang napaulat na higit 19,000 na hindi dokumentadong benepisyaryo sa ilalim ng Expanded Government Assistance to Students and Teachers in Private Education o IGASTPE. Sa pagdinig ng Senate Committee on Basic Education, pinaniniwalaan din itong tinatawag na ghost students at pinaliwanag ng Commission on Audit kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito.
ESC grantees listed as enrolled but have not attended classes since the start of the semester. And letter D, ESC grantees listed and billed multiple times in the same school or in different ESC participating junior high school. So this is the definition of ghost student.
May mga binanggit naman si Senator Sherwin Gatchalian na ilang eskwelahan na umano'y kailangan mag-refund.
I want to detect kasi I'm trying to find out whether there's intention to defraud government. Ito, St. Joseph School of Candaba, 80 million to be refunded. San Jose Academy of Bulacan, 68 million. Then Electron College of Technical Education, 14 million. So, my question is, paano umabot ng ganito kalaki at 68 million?
Paliwanag ng Department of Education,
that's why we hold po yung payment nila. Only those billing statements which are in sync with our learners information system. That's the only payment that we released. The rest po, we hold it in the central office, and that is only what we did when GAS was created.
lumabas sa pagdinig na nasa higit 230 million pesos ang kailangan ma-refund dahil sa undocumented students na para sana ito pang-enroll na mga bata. Sisilipin din ng COA ang usapin. Daniel Manalastas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.